So, pleasant day everyone. I am here to discuss about the human body system responsible for body function. So, the topic is all about the muscular system. First, what is the muscular system? Muscular system is made of muscular fiber, which are specialized cells that contains protein that allow them to control, contract, and relax. So, the muscular system includes all the muscle tissues. So, the muscle tissues is the skeletal, cardiac, and smooth muscle. In humans, this organ system is responsible for various body movement and locomotion. It permits movement of the body, maintains posture, and circulates blood throughout the body, and muscular system in vertebrates are controlled through the nervous system, although some muscle can be completely autonomous. So, there are the main types of muscle tissue. So, first is the skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscle are attached to bone by tendons and are responsible for movements and maintaining body temperature. And the second one is the cardiac muscle. These muscles are found only the heart and responsible for pumping blood through the body. They are involuntary muscles, so meaning you can consciously control them. So the third one is the smooth muscle. These muscles are responsible for movements in the stomach, intestine, blood vessels, and the hollow organs. So the last one is the strained muscles, which means that they consist of thousands of equally sized sarcomeres or muscle units which have transverse bands. So, there are different bands within each muscle interact, allowing the muscle to move powerfully and smoothly. So, that's all for the muscular overview and the components.
Good day everyone! Today we will going to discuss about the functions of muscular system and the 11 major muscle groups. First function, we have mobility. The main function of the muscular system is to allow movement. There are two kinds of movement. We have gross movement and fine movement. In gross movement, it refers to a large coordinated motions and includes walking, running, and swimming. On the other hand, fine movement includes smaller movements such as writing, speaking, and facial expressions. Next function is stability. So the tendons crossing joints, especially knees and shoulders, are vital for stability. The core muscles, such as abdomen, back, pelvis, also stabilize the body and aid in tasks like lifting. Next, we have posture. When someone is sitting or standing, the skeletal muscles help keep the body in the correct position, and that is known as posture. Another function is circulation, which involves the heart, a powerful muscle that pumps blood throughout the body. The movement of the heart is outside of conscious control, and it contracts automatically when stimulated by electric signals. We also have respiration, wherein it is the process of breathing that is heavily reliant on the muscular system. The diaphragm, a large dome-shaped muscle, contracts and relaxes to draw air into the lungs and expel. We also have digestion, wherein the food moves through the digestive system called peristalsis. It is a wave-like muscular contractions that move food through the digestive system. Think of it like squeezing a tube of toothpaste. The muscles contract and relax in a coordinated way to push the food along. Muscles also functions as organ protections. They act like a shield around our organs, keeping them safe. Our muscles also help cushion our organs from bumps and shocks, making sure they stay healthy and safe. Lastly, our muscles also regulate our body temperature. They are like tiny furnaces, creating most of the heat our bodies need. When we get cold, our muscles work harder to generate heat. When we get too hot, our muscles help us cool down by relaxing the blood vessels in our skin. This lets more blood flow near the surface, releasing extra heat. Now, let's move on to the 11 major muscle groups. First, we have quadriceps. Quad muscles or quadriceps femoris muscles are a group of 4 muscles that cover the front and sides of your thighs. Next, hamstring. The hamstrings are a group of muscles that cross the hip and knee joints and are responsible for walking, running, jumping, and many other physical activities. Next, we have calves. The calf muscle is in the back of your lower leg, behind your knee. Pectoralis major. The larger and most superficial muscles of the pectoral region are chest. Latissimus dorsi. The latissimus dorsi muscle is a large, triangularly shaped back muscle that helps you do things like pull-ups, swimming, and even breathing. Deltoid. Deltoid muscles are located in your shoulder, which is the ball and socket joint that connects your arm to the trunk of your body. Triceps. Triceps is located at the back of the upper arm and covers the majority of the backside of the humerus or the upper arm bone. Biceps. The biceps is a large muscle situated on the front of the upper arm between the shoulder and the elbow. Forearms. The forearms or lower arm represents the portion of the upper limb located between the elbow and the wrist. Trapezius. The trapezius is a large muscle in your back. It starts at the back of your head and neck, extends across your shoulders, and down the middle of your back, forming a trapezoid. Lastly, we have the abs. The abdominal muscles are located between the ribs and the pelvis on the front of the body. The abdominal muscles support the trunk, allow movement, and hold organs in place by regulating internal abdominal pressure. That's all for today's discussion. Thank you for listening!